reading of Swamiji's by our respected Brahmachari Parama Chaitanya Maharaj, our very own Sip Chaitanya Maharaj. Maharaj, please.
Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapaharine. My pranams to Revered Secretary Maharaj and other senior monks. My namaskars to Brahmachari brothers, and my regards to all the teachers and other staff members present here. Swamiji's utterances are full of strength. They give strength to accomplish great deeds and to face the challenges of life. Now I shall read out a few of those utterances. Faith, faith, faith in ourselves. Faith, faith in God. This is the secret of greatness. If you have faith in all the 330 million of your gods, and in all the gods which foreigners have now and again introduced into your midst, and still have no faith in yourselves, there is no salvation for you. The history of the world is the history of a few men who had faith in themselves. That faith calls out the divinity within. You can do anything. You fail only when you do not strive sufficiently to manifest infinite power. As soon as a man or a nation loses faith, death comes. Never think there is anything impossible for the soul. It is the greatest hearsay to think so. If there is sin, this is the only sin, to say that you are weak or others are weak. Whatever you think, that you will be. If you think yourselves weak, weak you will be. If you think yourselves strong, strong you will be. Say, I can do everything. Even the poison of a snake is powerless if you can firmly deny it. Never mind the struggles, the mistakes. I never heard a cow tell a lie, but it is only a cow, never a man. So, never mind these failures, these little backslidings. Hold the ideal 1,000 times, and if you fail 1,000 times, make the attempt once more. The remedy for weakness is not brooding over weakness, but thinking of strength. This is the great fact. Strength is life, weakness is death. Strength is felicity, life eternal, immortal. Weakness is constant strain and misery. Weakness is death. Be not in despair. The way is very difficult, like walking on the edge of a razor. Yet despair not. Arise, awake, and find the ideal, the goal. Be of good cheer and believe that we are selected by the Lord to do great things, and we will do them. Bold words and bolder deeds are what we want. Awake, awake, great ones. The world is burning with misery. Can you sleep? Let us call and call till the sleeping gods awake, till the God within answers to the call. What more is in life? What greater work? Bear in mind, my children, that only cowards and those who are weak commit sin and tell lies. The brave are always moral. Try to be moral. Try to be brave. Try to be sympathizing. India wants the sacrifice of at least 1,000 of her young men mind, not brutes. Can you become an Occidental of Occidentals in your spirit of equality, freedom, work, and energy, and at the same time a Hindu to the very backbone in religious culture and instincts? This is to be done, and we will do it. You are all born to do it. Have faith in yourselves. Great convictions are the mother of great deeds. Onward forever. sympathy for the poor, the downtrodden, even unto death. This is our motto. Onward, brave lads. 3 things are necessary to make every man great, every nation great. 1. Conviction of the powers of goodness. 2. Absence of jealousy and suspicion. 3. Helping all who are trying to be and do good. Wake up, stop not until the goal is reached, say the Vedas. Up, up, the long night is passing, the day is approaching, the wave has risen, nothing will be able to resist its tidal fury. The Spirit, my boys, the Spirit, the love, my children, the love, the faith, the belief, and fear not, the greatest sin is fear. Have faith that you are all my brave lads, born to do great things. Let not the barks of puppies frighten you. No, not even the thunderbolts of heaven, but stand up and work. Work hard, be holy and pure, and the fire will come. Say, this misery that I am suffering is of my own doing, and that very thing proves that it will have to be undone by me alone. That which I created, I can demolish. Therefore, stand up, be bold, be strong. Take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders, and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. All the strength and succor you want is within yourselves. The ideal of faith in ourselves is of the greatest help to us. If faith in ourselves had been more exhaustively taught and practiced, I am sure a very large portion of the evils and miseries that we have would have vanished. Throughout the history of mankind, if any motive power has been more potent than another, then it is this. Another in the lives of all great men and women. It is that of faith in themselves. To succeed, you must have tremendous perseverance, tremendous will. I will drink the ocean, says the persevering soul. At my will, mountains will crumble up. Have that sort of energy, that sort of will. Work hard, and you will reach the goal. Go and preach to all. Arise, awake, sleep no more. Within each of you, there is the power to remove all wants and all the miseries. Believe this, and that power will be manifested. Proclaim the glory of Atman with the roar of a lion, and impart fearlessness unto all beings by saying, Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Thank you.